Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We're here in beautiful Wayne, New Jersey. Just finished up a brand new Atlas Pinnacle Pristine roof, 3M Lifetime Scotch Guard. Crew's cleaning up. Beautiful day. Just came up to check out the roof. Take a little closer look at this beautiful work. Right here we got a chimney flashing system. Now underneath this chimney there's several layers of ice and water shield. Come out about 18 inches around the chimney, up the side of the chimney. Then we come around with step flashing in between each one of these shingles. Then we cut into the chimney and put a new, we bend a new custom metal. This is some beautiful work here. Built a little cricket behind the chimney so snow and ice won't build up behind here. It's required on any chimney over 20 inches. I don't know that it was required on this, but it's definitely a nice little added bonus. A little bit of added protection. Build up against that pesky snow and ice. Chimney's gonna need a little TLC in the near future. It's gonna need a little pointing, new collar on the top. See, the top of the chimneys take a lot of beating from the weather. It's the first thing to go. Then it starts to get water in it. During the winter, a little bit of water gets in there, it freezes, expands, pops the bricks, starts to pop the cement. This is all still structurally sound, at least. This is gonna need a little pointing at some point to make sure we let the homeowner know. It's all pretty tacked though, but the water will start coming in through the top and then bust the whole thing out. This is fun. This was neat. This isn't the worst though, having two pipes like that on top of each other. Underneath here, which you can't really see, it's pretty hidden, is a ridge vent. Ridge vent's going to allow the roof to breathe, make sure it doesn't blister and burn up. It's also going to allow the moisture, and probably even more important, it's going to allow the moisture and it's going to allow the home to ventilate properly so that you're not getting moisture underneath your roof deck and your attic and in between your beams or your ceiling spaces. Here we did another custom flashing on the chimney. This one's actually going to need a little TLC as well. Looks like one side of it was closed up. Looks like it might have some loose brick over there. I'm not going to walk over there with the camera in my hand. It's a little steep and high. It's been a good day thus far, so we're going to stay on the roof. Great day though. Beautiful day. Beautiful job. Another beautiful Atlas roof. So we love this roof. One of the features that's great about this is the size of the shingle. It's the biggest this way. It's an inch bigger than all the other shingles, and it's also wider from length left to right, so there's less seams with this roof. Now it's a little, oh, they took my ladder. I guess we're going on this one. So here's another critical area in between each one of these shingles. There's a piece of step flashing, so this is super critical. I'd say like 95% of leaks happen in this sort of area. Ooh, it's a little steep. So, up under there, if you can see it, there's a piece of metal in between each shingle. It's kind of hard to see. It's there. Well, another beautiful day, another beautiful roof. Everyone's going home nice and safe. As soon as I get off the roof, we'll see you on the next one.